CSTI is essentially a company that's a game changer in the industry. We're taking a bunch of survey services and BIM services and basically combining them and essentially creating a new service type of application and a geospatial application.
Number one philosophy of CSTI is continued education and the growth of the tribal knowledge for not only us as a company, but the entire AEC industry. And it is our hope to one day eliminate the average 30% waste factor to 5 to 10% for all construction-related projects.
So CSTI provides BIM and geospatial services. And what we specialize in is bringing the two together to integrate and work with each other. So we could go from survey to BIM and from BIM to survey.
The services that ATG brings over have been instrumental in helping CSTI learn and provide our team with education on many of the products. And then just having a larger network of individuals that we now have the capability and resources to learn from, their wisdom. It's a much better team, and I look forward to working further with ATG on many future projects.
I highly recommend ATG. I mean, they are always following up with everything. They're real proactive. They are real professional, and they're just great service.